I've come to the one beyond birth and death, to claim what's mine with every breath. Not just peace, but a kingdom bright, an unlimited world, my birthright. In soul's deep silence I let go of the world below, the ego show. The more I love, the more I see this world of truth is home to me. I am a soul, this truth I hold, the supreme is mine, ancient and bold. This meeting now is once in time, where I let go of me and mine. The more I remember, the more I rise, and bodies pull just slowly dies. No more excuses, no more delay. I listen to truth and clear the way. Each word of wisdom, sweet and clear, brings Maya close, and then she disappears. I play the song of truth each day, and doubts like shadows fade away. To serve with light in calm control is how I heal and make souls whole. Experience speaks beyond the lines. It sparkles seen in subtle signs. In joy I live, in peace I stay. My silent face will light the way. I am a soul, this truth I hold, the supreme is mine, ancient and bold. I claim my place in the world of light. The soul returns to claim its right. The play goes on, but now I see this deep remembrance sets me free.
Om Shanti. Very, very, very warm welcome to everybody to this special series, which is on angelic stage through Avyak Sustenance and experiential series.
我哋呢
And
個禮
today
拜
very special
係
experiential speaker
天
with
使
us,
嘅體驗
brother。Yogesh Sharda from Turkey, joining us from
今
Istanbul.
日係
Brother, you're in Istanbul,
Yogesh
right?
兄弟由
Joining
土耳
the
其，
Global House London right now.
Okay, joining
而
from
家
London. That's
而
wonderful.
家
Okay,
係
thank you
喺
so
倫
much.
敦，
So really a warm
佢
welcome to brother
係非
Yogesh.
洲度出世，
Let's start quickly with the
係喺倫敦
introduction
度長
of
大。
brother Yogesh by Deepa.
Om Shanti. A cordial welcome to our special speaker today, Brother Yogesh. Brother Yogesh Sharda is a senior Raj Yoga meditation practitioner and the national coordinator of Brahmakumaris in Turkey. With over 30 years of experience in spiritual practice, he is a
Yogesh
prominent
兄弟
global speaker known for
係由細開始
integrating spiritual
學
wisdom
習呢
into
一個
spiritual
靈性嘅
He
知
was
識。
born in Malawi Malawi, Africa, and was
係
raised and educated
30
in
年，
London and Oxford in England.
佢喺非
He
洲
began
出
practicing
世，
Raja Yoga meditation from
喺
his
倫敦
childhood,
度長大，
eventually
而
adopting it
家
as
係
a
土
daily
耳其
lifestyle. His
黃道
teachings
瑜
are
伽
based on
嘅
the
中心負
Brahmakumari
責人。
Academy for a Better World in Mount Tabo, India, and the Global Retreat Center in Oxford.
佢
For
細
over
個
20
已經
years
開
now,
始
he has served as a workshop
用呢一
facilitator
個
for
佢
international
嘅生活
businesses,
方式，
hospitals,
就
universities,
已經
etc.
係
across Europe,
靈
the
性
Middle
嘅基
East,
礎。
Asia, and the Americas. Some of the key topics of his seminars
佢
have been
20
the
年
intelligent heart,
係
stress-free
去
living,
講
emotional
係
intelligence,
用靈
and
性
sensing
嘅
the mind
服
for better
務，
decision making.
係關於
Hong Kong, in particular, and
冇
Asia
壓力
broadly
嘅
happens to
生
be
活。
one of the favorite places of Brother Yogesh, with him having made multiple trips to his
情緒嘅
institute.
智慧
So, as we all join to welcome Brother
同埋
Yogesh,
點樣
let me request Sister
係
Bindu to say a few
穩
words.
定嘅思想，令到佢嘅決定係做好嘅決定。佢嚟過香港同埋亞洲
Om
多次，
Shanti. Om Shanti, brother.
Om Shanti.
Bye.
Didi.
Welcome to Hong Kong. Like Angel Yogesh. Like subtle form, you come here and give very good experience.
你上次
to
嚟
Avyakt,
香港嘅時候係好
Baba
有
Jada
感
and
覺。
Avyakt Brahma Baba. We
Thank you.
all like you.
我哋都好鍾意你，
I love all of you very much.
我都好愛你哋。
Thank you again.
Thank you, Bindu
Wonderful.
Didi. Your English is improving, as I see.
你而家嘅英文已經
She's
越
going
嚟
to
越
host,
好啦。
she's going to host the program from next time, Yogesh Bhai. Yeah. So
下次
thank you
咧，
really,
佢可
Bindu
以
Ben. Thank you
做
for the welcome and also for
See,
creating
Baba
this.
also, Yogesh Bhai, Baba also like you, invite you
爸爸
here.
都好鍾意你，而邀請你嚟呢一度。
Yes.
多
Thank
謝，
you, Bindu Ben, also for creating this platform for us for this wonderful series,
多謝
which
Bindu Ben
everybody can
去組織
experience
今個
the
星期
Avyakt
嘅
sustenance. So before
1月份嘅
handing it over to Brother Yogesh,
天使
just a few things
境
to
界。
mention. We have interpretation in different languages happening, and
而
those
家
are
係
Hindi,
印度
Cantonese,
語、
Mandarin,
普通
and
話、廣東
Japanese.
話、日
And
文。
we have members, PK members joining from these places in Japan and Philippines as well.
菲
Of
律
course,
賓
a few
嘅
from
都有
India.
人
There's Hong Kong and
參
mainland
加，
China as well
同埋
joining
大
in.
陸。
And I think the Korea team will have a representative joining here, and they would probably join their own Zoom network and listen on that one in Korean.
而
So these are the
家
ones.
佢韓
Please
國
put
都
in
會
your
有佢
questions
自
in
己
the main
嘅
chat on Zoom, so we can
參加。
have
如果你有
few
問題，
questions
可
at
以
the end
寫
for
喺
Brother Yogesh. So over to Yogesh Bhai. Then we are also keen to hear him and experience. And a request to Brother Yogesh is to please you could please speak for the next 40 minutes, and then we can have a
跟
couple
住
of
40分
questions
鐘
before handing it
講
back to you
完之
again
後
for the
可
final
以
meditation and drishti.
有問答，然後就係靜坐或者
So,
Drishti。
Om Shanti and Bindu Ben, Deepa Ben, Praveen Bhai. Thanks to all of you.
多謝你哋，
What a wonderful thing it is to hear, remember, and share experiences of
非
sustenance
常
from
之好，
Bapdada.
係分
And
享
I think this is
同
one of the
巴
best
達
things
達
that
嘅滋養。
Brahmins can do for each other. It's just sharing our own experiences and
當我分
encouraging
享
each other
自己
to come
嘅體驗
closer
嘅時
to
候，
Bapdada.
係邀請緊
And especially in
其
this
他
month of
人
January,
同
Baba
爸
gives
爸
extra
更接近。
blessings to us.
同埋1月
So
份
we must
爸爸
take
嘅係
advantage,
會俾
full advantage of this special
更多
time
嘅
that we
祝福
have.
俾我哋。
So the whole Confluence Age,
喺
I
匯
think
合
we
時
can
代，
describe as the great adventure to exploring,
係
understanding, and
探索
experiencing God's personality.
體驗神嘅
Now,
個
over
性。
the centuries, there have been many wise people, even the prophets, telling us
有
about
宗
God's
教
personality.
嘅好多
And
宗
even
教
today,
都
there
有
are some
講到神嘅
modern
個
self-help,
性。
personal development gurus and teachers, both in the East and also in the West, who give advice about how to grow spiritually,
佢哋
how
都
to
會
connect
第啲
with the
宗
divine
教
source.
都會講到點
And I
樣
remember
同
one
神
time in
連結
Istanbul,
同
one
埋更
lady
接近。
gave me a book, How to Understand God, written by some popular self-help person. And I thought, well, I could give her a book, How to Understand God, written by God.
第啲
Means
人
the
呢
Muris
都有
themselves.
佢自己嘅
And so it's a
睇法，
wonder
對
that
於神
Baba
寫咗
reveals
本
to
書，
us his
我都可
personality,
以寫一本
and he
書，
makes it very,
就
very
係
clear step by
Merely
step
神自
what
己
his
去
likes
介
are and
紹
what his dislikes are,
佢自己，
and how to come closer to him in
同埋
relationship.
點樣同佢嘅
And
關
that
係
really, I think,
會
is the basis
更接
of
近。
experiencing Bapdada's sustenance,
呢個
is
就係
building a
同
true
巴達達
and honest and a deep, mature relationship with him. And that is also an ongoing process, how a relationship matures over
點
time.
樣我哋嘅同
At
巴
the
達
same
達嘅
time
關
as
係
discovering
係
Baba's
越嚟越
personality,
真誠、
we're also
誠實、
discovering ourselves.
深有
There's
深
two
度
things
同
happening
埋誠
at the
實
same time.
同埋成熟嘅。
And one thing I always remember in this context is Baba tells us, you are not just those who have yoga, but you have a yogi life.
你唔係淨係有
You're not
瑜
just
伽，
those who sit
而
and
你個
meditate for
生
2-3
活
hours
方式就
in a
係一
meditation
個
room,
瑜伽者，
but you have a yogi life. And if you think about
即
it,
係
in
話
this
唔
Brahmin
係淨
life,
係
we do
靜
so
坐坐
many
喺度嘅
things.
時候，你
We
先
have
至會
meetings, we have
平靜，
discussions,
而係你
we
喺
have
生活
classes,
裏邊
we do a
都可
lot of
以
cooking,
係一個
we do
瑜
a
伽
lot
者。
of eating, we do a
我
lot of
哋
traveling. So many things are
住
there.
住我
But
哋嘅
still,
行
we are
為，
not known as Raj cooks,
我哋
Raj
係煮嘢
drivers,
啦、食
Raj
嘢啦，
lecturers.
或者
We are called
講
Raj
課
yogis,
啦。
which means we
但係
have
我
to
哋嘅
do all of
名，
those things, but in a state of yoga.
即係
And
話
that, I
我
think, is a
哋係
crucial thing to
瑜
be
伽者，
aware.
唔
Let,
係
let me
煮
be
飯嗰個人，
busy in
唔
doing
係食
things,
嘢，即係
but let
唔
me
係
be
個
in a
重
state
點，
of
唔係
yoga as I do those things.
唔係喺
And that,
你
I
做
think,
啲
is the
乜嘢，
key
而
to
係當你
experiencing
做任何
Baba's
嘢行起坐
companionship
臥，
and Baba's
你都
support
係有瑜
as
伽
we
而
face the
得
challenges
到
and obstacles
爸爸
which
嘅
come
支
in this
持，
drama.
咁可以
And
超
we
越
also know when
喺呢個戲
obstacles and
劇裏
challenges
邊
come,
係會
they
有
come
障
because
礙。
it's a drama.
點解會
If
有
we
障
were to
礙？
predict
就係因為
what's
呢一
going
個
to
係
happen,
戲
it
劇。
would not be a drama.
如果你已經
But
預
Baba has
料
told
到
us
嘅
that when
嘢，
you are with me,
就已經
then
唔
you will
係戲
experience
劇。
it to be as entertainment.
如果你係有同
So
爸爸
one
一
little
齊嘅話，
formula that I
你嘅感
find
覺、
very
你嘅
useful,
體驗 係
maybe
會
it's
覺
useful
得
for you as well,
個戲劇係
is
好
like
有
this,
趣。
that when we are in the Lokik life, there's three
喺
things
世
that
俗
are
嘅
in
生活裏
sequence.
邊，
In the Lokik life, first it's me,
第一係
and then
我，
life.
跟住係生
Then
活。
when there's a problem, we think of God.
有問題嘅
Me,
時候，我哋就
life,
話
and then
神，
God. Me, life, God.
哦天啊！
But when we come to Baba,
世俗
then
嘅
number
排
2and
列，
number 3 they interchange their positions. First me, then Baba,
我
and then
爸
drama.
爸，
We don't
跟
call it
住
life
就
anymore,
係
we call it drama.
戲劇。我
I
哋
like
唔覺得係
this
生
sequence.
命
Me, Baba, drama. Me, Baba, drama.
個次序
Which
係
means I must not allow
係
drama
我
to come
爸爸，
between me and Baba.
就即係話我唔
And
會
what is
令到
drama?
嗰
Drama
個
is
戲劇
everything that happens outside of me.
喺
Somebody
外
praises
邊，
me,
我以
drama.
佢
Somebody
讚
criticizes me,
我或
drama.
者詆毀
I am
我
center of attention,
呢啲
drama. I'm ignored, drama. I'm
就係
highly
乜嘢？
successful
就
in
係話
something,
人哋注意
drama.
我，
I was a
又
total
係戲
failure in
劇，
something,
人哋
drama. All those things
係
are part of
完全
drama.
忽略我，
And I mustn't
亦都
allow
係
them
戲
to
劇。
get in between me
即係
and
話我
Baba.
唔可以俾戲劇
And I think
外
when
邊
we
嘅一
pay
切
attention to
去
that,
干
then
擾
we experience the
我同
most
爸爸。
precious thing of all.
即係我同
That
爸
I
爸
would
之
say
間係
is
唔係
Baba's
有呢
blessings.
個戲劇喺度干擾嘅。
Having blessings from human beings is
祝福
important. Getting
人俾
blessings
我
from the
嘅祝
deity
福，
souls, which means the Brahmin
由
family
神
is
人
even more
嘅
powerful.
即係 BK
To
嘅
get
家庭嘅
blessings
祝
from
福，
Bab and Dada, it's the
由
greatest
巴
thing of
打
all
打俾我
because
嘅
it
祝福
protects us and it de-obstacleizes our life.
係會
So let me share
最
some
好、最
personal
崇高嘅，
experiences and hoping
因
this
為
gives
佢
insights
會冇
into
障礙。
how we can experience Baba's help more in our lives.
點樣可以有
I
爸
remember the
爸
first time I really
喺我
became
生活
aware
之中
that
越
Bab
嚟越
Dada
多
is
幫助呢？
over me and is watching everything. Although
而
he says
家
I'm
爸
not
爸
Antaryami, but I'm sure
爸
he
爸
is.
唔係
So one particular year
唔係
back
咩
in
都知道，
80s,
但係佢好似乜
I
嘢
was going
都
through some
睇住
challenges.
我。
The
之
challenges
前
means I
我
was
有
being criticized quite a
我係
lot
俾
in
人哋
one
挑剔，
particular scenario. And I was maybe 18, 19 years old or
我
something.
嗰陣時係18
But I had
歲，
this thought in my mind and my heart that
喺
no
我心
matter
裏
what
邊，
happens, I am not going to shake.
無論發
Because
生
I
咩
heard
事，
Baba saying this in
我
one
唔
of
可
your
以，我一定要保
Achal
持
adore,
穩定，
be unmovable, be
係毫
unshakable.
不動搖嘅。
So I just had this thought, no matter what is thrown at me, no matter what
所
is
以
said,
就算
I'm
無
not
論人哋
going to
講乜
shake,
嘢嘢，
going to remain
我都係
achal,
毫不
unshakable.
動搖嘅。
So it kind of became my practice for the whole year.
所以我成年都係
And
練
then
習。
at the end of that year, when I went to Madhuban,
跟
Bab
住我
Dada
去咗印
had
度，
come in Om
馬
Shanti
杜班
Bhavan,
係
and
Om
we were
Shanti
told that
Bhavan，
today there will not be any personal meetings. So we
跟
used
住
to have
再
personal
冇
meetings that
個
time.
人嘅
We were
會
told
啦。
Baba will come, Baba will speak Murali, then everyone will come in line and get Toli Drishti directly
佢哋
from
只係
Baba,
會
from
得
Baba.
到 Toli 同埋
So of
Drishti，
course we all joined the queue. There were many, many hundreds of us.
有幾百
And
人。
I remember when I went on the stage and I got Toli Drishti from Baba, then Baba stopped me. He grabbed me and he leaned forward and he said, Achal hai na, achal. And I was like, wow, this was my word for the year. This is what I have been practicing.
咁我上
So
台
I felt like, like my heart
得
just
到
jumped.
Toli 同埋
Like
Drishti，
Baba has been
爸爸
watching
停
everything. He
停
doesn't
咗
miss
我，
anything.
然後就係
So
講
he
嗰
was giving
句
confirmation
毫不動
like
搖，
a
就係
rubber
我練
stamp
咗成
and
年
also
嘅
giving a blessing
呢
at the
個
same
狀
time
態。
that you are unshakable.
佢好似俾
And
緊
for
我
me,
一
it
個
was
祝
like
福，
symbolic
同
that
埋佢好似
Baba
成
is
年都
there
知道我
every
喺度做緊
moment.
乜嘢，
I must never think that, oh,
所以
Baba
唔好
doesn't
覺得
notice or
爸爸唔
Baba's
知道
not
我，
helping.
爸爸唔
Baba's on
幫
holiday
我，
somewhere. Where is he gone?
爸爸根本
No,
就喺
he's
度
always
喺
there.
度去
And
緊
I
旅
realized
遊，
that
都
if
冇
I
理到
make
我。
any kind of sincere, honest effort from the heart,
只要
The
我
Father
由心
gives help automatically. You don't
係
need to
誠
ask
實
him.
嘅努力，爸爸
And
自
this
動
reminds
就
me
會祝
also
福
of
我，
the
係唔
qualifications
需
that
要
we
去問
need
嘅。
in order to draw Baba's sustenance and help towards us.
點樣可以
And I
令到
would say
爸
three
爸
main
不
things
停
that
咁樣祝福我呢？
we need is to be worthy of Baba's help and support.
點樣可以
One
值得
is
爸爸
the
去
phrase
幫
everyone
我
knows,
呢？
Sache Dil Pe Sahab Razi. The Lord is pleased with an honest heart.
第一句就係話
And it seems
佢
that this is the
神
number one thing
係
Baba
會鍾意
likes. He
誠
likes
實
honest
嘅
heart most of all. And that's why he's called
誠
Dilaram.
實嘅心，
First, he looks after the heart.
所以首先佢就係
So
安
that's
撫
one
我
thing to
哋
check.
心
How
嘅，
clean is my
就
heart?
係 Dilaram 安
Do I
撫
have
我哋
mixed
心。
motives in something? Am I
所以我究竟有冇一啲
secretly there's a mixed motive there and
混
I'm hiding that?
或
Clean
者
the
有
heart
啲
and
嘢
don't hold
係
on
唔
to
乾
any
淨
garbage
嘅，
of yourself
有
or
冇啲
of
嘢
anybody
硬
else.
個心嘅嘢等喺心裏
Then
邊呢？
second formula,
定係乾
again,
淨嘅
it's
心呢？
all Brahmins we know. And he tells us that if you take one step of courage,
第二，
I give
只要
1,000
我
steps
一
of help.
步嘅勇氣，
That's
爸
an
爸會幫
amazing
我1000步。
interest rate.
呢
It's
一
an
個
amazing
係
deal Baba is
你
offering.
話幾着
But he
數？
said in one Murli
嗰個利率
that
啊，係嗰個利息
sometimes the
係非
children
常
say,
之高
Baba,
啊！
help me first, then I will do what I can do.
有啲人呢，就係話
Baba says,
你
no
幫我
deal.
先啦，
I don't play that game.
你幫我先，爸爸
So
你
I've
幫下我
experienced,
先，
and I'm sure
然後
all
我
of
就
you have
努力，
experienced how
唔係
when
咁
you
樣嘅。
have some courage to
你
face
要
a
有少少
situation,
努力，少
face
少
your
勇
own
氣，
shortcomings,
先至可以
face your
面對到自
inadequacies,
己嘅
Baba comes in,
內在
takes
嘅不
over,
足，
and magic begins to happen.
然後
And he
先
said
至會有
also that,
奇蹟。
I don't need to be reminded of my job.
爸爸
He
話
said
你唔
the
使
Father
提我要
sees
做啲乜嘢，
and silently and automatically helps.
爸爸靜靜
And so that
地
faith there is needed.
就已
And
經
faith really is
會
the
幫手
foundation of
啊
the！ yogi life. And faith is more than just believing, but deep down acceptance.
信心係你一種
And
心
third
嘅
thing,
接
I would
受。
say the qualification to get Baba's help is Baba likes exclusivity.
爸爸
He
鍾
says,
意
remember me
係
and me alone.
淨係得佢
Ek bhala,
係
ek
專
bharosa.
注，
So
係
when we
唯一
really
嘅
make。Baba the support of the mind and the heart,
所
then he
以我
likes
嘅
it.
心
And he says,
同
okay,
埋
you
我
deserve
嘅
a lot of my
思
help.
想，淨係得爸
Second
爸一個
experience
靠
I'd like
山，
to share
佢就
was
會
just a
話好。
recent one, actually. Well, recent means about a couple of years ago. So there were three big challenges I was facing.
我
And these
之
had to
前
do
有
with like
3個
moving the center to another location
點
and
樣去
sort of
搬個
official
中
things I had to
心，
deal with. But there were things that were
同
kind of
埋有
in my mind, and I had to find solutions and
喺
a
我嘅
lot
腦
of
裏
things
邊
to take
要
care of.
揾到個解答
And
嘅
I
方
remember
法
in one Amrit Vela,
解
I was
決。
in Baba's room,
咁我甘露嘅
and
時候喺爸爸
Baba's
嘅房
translate
間，
was there in the front. And at
爸
some
爸嘅
point,
光
my
喺前
eyes
邊，
had closed.
我瞌
And
埋咗隻
then
眼
it，felt like someone put their hand on my head. In fact, it felt like the hand went inside my head.
好似佢嘅手
And my eyes
入
opened
咗
and
我
I
個
thought,
腦。
who's in the
我
room? Someone
我
is
擘
here.
大咗隻眼嘅時候，
Nobody was there.
係冇人嘅喎。
And when I looked at Baba's face, Baba's eyes,
爸爸嘅
very
眼
powerfully from Baba's drishti was the feeling,
係
child,
嗰個 drishti，
everything is going to be okay.
一切都會
And I felt
OK，
like,
冇問
Baba
題。
was touching me and giving me that direct sense of reassurance and
好似爸
comfort
爸呢，
everything
係
is going
安
to
慰
be
我嘅
okay. You
心，
don't need to think too much.
你唔使諗咁多
And then
嘅。
I said to Baba in my mind, okay, Baba, once these 3 things are sorted out,
OK， 爸爸，
I will
只
send
要
you
我
a thank you message.
如果呢3
So
樣嘢
once
都
those
搞得
3
掂
things
咧，
got sorted,
我就
then
要
I
多謝
did. I
你。
sent a message through Shashiben, Trans Messenger in Madhuban.
係去印
And
度嗰度，
I thought Baba would say
多謝
something
爸
like,
爸。
the father has received the child's message and
我
sends
以為
blessings.
爸
No,
爸會同
he
我
gave
講話
like
啊，收到。
3 or 4 minutes personal message. I thought, wow, just imagine when I received
3、
that
4分
message
鐘嘅答案，
in the email, I was jumping on cloud number 9.
我
maybe
已經
number
開
10.
心到咧
I
不
just
得
felt,
了。我淨
wow,
係多謝爸爸
Father is
啫。
Father. When Father
佢
will
有
give you
3、4
more
分
than
鐘，
you ask
佢
for,
係
even you
父
don't
親，
ask.
就算你
So
冇
this
要
just
求，
proves
佢
so
都會俾
deeply
你嘅，仲
Baba
係俾
and
多
Dada
你。
both are our fathers at this time.
爸爸
And
就係我哋嘅
they're
父親，
waiting and willing to support us in
佢
any
哋
way
係
we
等
need.
緊同埋
It's not
願
I have
意
my
去
Lokik
支
and my
持
Alokik life. No, we
支
don't
持
balance the
我，
two. Everything is Alokik for us. That's
全
what we
部
have to,
我
I
哋
think,
都係
understand.
靈性，
Everything is Alokik.
我
And within
哋
that, there is
係
taking
一
care
切
of
都
the
係
worldly
靈
family
食，
and the health and the service and
只
the
不過係
house,
要
but make
照
everything
顧
Alokik. Then
物
I feel
質
it's
層
like we are
面、身
giving
體
Baba
層面
access to the self.
係唔同嘅
And he
層
comes
面，
in and, does his magic. So
然
that
後爸爸
experience was
就
there.
會俾奇蹟。
And as I was mentioning earlier about, faith is fundamental.
信心
And
係非常之
you know the
重
phrase
要嘅。
Nishchaya Buddhi Sada Vijayante. Faithful intellect leads to victory.
當你有一
And I
個
was reflecting on
信
this
念
in the
嘅
last couple of
心
days
智，
that what does it
係會
really
成
mean?
功㗎。
Nishchaya. It's not just being aware of something, but it's like that point of truth has seeped so deep inside my intellect
咩叫信心呢？就
that
係
you
真
don't have to
嘅
remind yourself
嘢，
anymore.
真理係深深
It's
咁
like,
入
we
到
are
去我
when
嘅
we
心
were
裏
in the
邊。
Lokik world in body consciousness, you
喺
don't
身
have to
體
be
意識
reminded
嘅
you
話，
are a human, that you
你
are not a
唔
cat,
使
or you're
成日
not a
講話你係一個人
bat
嚟
or a
㗎，
fly
你
or
唔
a
係
tiger.
你
You
唔
have the
係昆
natural
蟲，
awareness you're a human
你
being.
唔係
So to have
你
the
唔係
natural
雀仔，
awareness, I am a child
自
of the
然
bestower.
你就係
I
一
am
個
a child of the world
給
benefactor.
予者
I am a
嘅
child
孩
of the
子，
Sarva Shaktivan, the
你
Almighty
係一
Authority.
個萬能
And if I
權
have
威
that
嘅
awareness so
造
deep,
福者，
deep in my intellect,
呢個已
then
經
I
深
would
深咁
automatically
喺
be
我個
thinking on
心
that
智，
level.
咁你自然
Let me
就
share
會諗
two
嘅嘢
examples of this
都
that,
係一切嘅
that I
嘢
have
都係
seen.
喺嗰個層
One
面。
was with Dadi Janki. So at one point, I was with her in Beirut, in Lebanon.
有一次
And we
係
had a
黎
retreat up
巴
in the hills there.
嫩，黎巴
And as you may
嫩，
know, Lebanon
我
went through
同
a civil
爹哋，
war and
因為佢有
it's
戰爭啊，
tense time. So we were up there in the hotel. And
我哋喺
the
山
sister
上
who
邊嘅
was
酒
the
店，
organizer there, she was pointing to different places and saying, Daddy, last week there was a shooting over there. And
佢
2
就
weeks
同
ago
爹
there was a
哋
bomb over
講：
there. And
之前啊，呢一
explaining
度
to
啱
her
啱
the
就
violence in the city.
有
And then Daddy said something which
有
surprised
開
me.
槍，跟住
She
呢度
said,
咧又有炸彈。
जहाँ भी मैं जाऊं, वहाँ अशांति नहीं आ सकती. Like with her finger like this. Meaning, wherever I go,
無論我去到
peacelessness
邊
is
度，
not allowed to be there.
唔
I
會
thought,
有不安嘅。
wow, what gives her the right to say this? How can she say this? Then I thought that she has
咁
so
我諗下，
deeply
佢
absorbed this into
佢
herself.
有咩資
I
格
am
可
a
以
child
講
of
話，
the ocean
無
of
論我去
peace.
到邊度，
So
唔會
wherever I
有不安
go,
寧，
peace will come.
就係
Of course,
因為
temporarily.
真理已經
But then I
深
asked
深咁
myself,
入咗佢嘅
how deeply
心
have
智
I
裏邊，
absorbed this?
已經
I
吸
am a
收
child
咗
of God.
呢種震波，
Is it
佢
so
係
on the
神
surface
嘅
of my
孩子，
intellect that I believe it
變
as
咗唔
a
會
fact or as an
唔
idea?
會有
Do
不
I really
安。
live this?
咁我就
I
諗，
think what I saw in
我
all
究
the
竟我嘅
Dadis,
生
which is
活
maybe their main
係咪就
speciality,
係
is they had so much
充滿
mischief,
住
so much
呢一
faith
種
in all the
靈
things Baba
性
was
嘅
telling
信
them,
念呢？
and therefore their stage became so stable.
所以
I
爹
think
哋
that's
佢
another
哋
key
有
secret
呢一
to
啲咁嘅
experiencing
信念，
of
係
Yak
入
Baba's
到佢
help
內心深處，
is developing this
所
deep,
以
deep
佢哋
mischief,
嘅
deep
境
faith
界
and conviction
係非
in
常
what
之
Baba
穩
is
定
telling
嘅，
me about me.
就
I
係
am a
Merly 裏
deity
邊
soul.
爸爸
I
講
am
關
an
於我
ancestor
嘅
soul.
嘢，我
I
係
am a
深深
world
咁樣
observer.
吸收。
And that like
而
opens up the
我爸爸
channels
話
to be
我
able
係一個
to
觀察者，
receive Baba's help and support.
所
The
以呢
second
一種嘅
example of
信念
one of the
就係
Dadis,
值得爸爸
this was
去
Dadi
幫助。
Chandramani. And she had come to London one year, and we went to a public program in one part of London.
有一次喺倫敦
And so she gave
有
the
一個
talk,
服務，
and then afterwards it was time for questions.
跟住有問
And
答，
one fellow stood up and asked a challenging question.
問一個比
He
較
said,
尖
"You
鋭
talk
嘅
about
問題。
peace and love and
你
all
講
this.
愛啊、
What will you
平
do
靜啊，
if somebody tried to stab you in the street with a knife? What
但
will
係
you do?
有
Will you be
人
peaceful
攞把刀
like this?"
去插你
And
喺街度，
Dadi
你
like
可以平
she
靜嗎？
didn't understand the question.
佢都唔明，
She
爹
had to
哋
ask
都
the
唔明，
translator 2-3 times. "Ye kya
兩
keh raha
三
hai?
次
What does it
佢唔
mean?"
明白，
Because it's just
唔
not in
明
her
白
computer,
佢
not in
問
her
緊乜嘢，
brain that someone could do something like this to her. It's
佢
just the
唔
concept
相
doesn't
信
exist.
會有呢
And I
啲嘢
thought
發
she spent her
生。
whole life living as a
佢
child of
一
God.
世都
But
係
in her
神嘅孩
consciousness,
子，
there's no space for this kind of thought even to arise.
所以
And
喺
so
佢
then
嘅
the
思想
realization
上
came,
邊
yeah,
冇
you know,
空間
how
去
deeply
諗
have
呢
I
一
really
啲
absorbed
咁嘅
the
諗
truth
法。
of what God is telling me? And how much is it still mixed up with my
即
attachment
係
to
我淨
my
係
own
諗緊
thinking,
點
my
解
own
我除咗
ideas?
Merly 神
So
講嘅
surrender
嘢，
of the
我
intellect,
仲
and
會溝
we'll
雜
do a
咗
little
咁
exercise
多
in just a
世
moment.
世人
But I
講
think
嘅嘢，
the important thing
做嘅
is
嘢，
the quality and the condition of our intellect in order
我
to
哋
be
嘅
able to
心智，
receive Baba's touchings.
我哋嘅
The
心
intellect is our
智
receiver.
就
Baba is
係好似一
transmitting
個
his
接
help and support and
接
power,
收緊爸
inspirations.
爸嘅
But is my
俾我哋
receiver
嘅觸動
stable, subtle,
係
clean,
咪
and
乾
clear?
淨
These four
清
things
楚，
in order to receive Baba's touchings.
係咪穩定？
So how to do it? How to make my intellect stable, subtle, clean, clear? I would say there, our
呢四
responsibility
樣嘢點樣可
is
以
to
乾
keep
淨、清
ourselves
晰、
engaged
穩
in
定同埋精微呢？
elevated and divine thoughts. If we are able to do that,
就係
then
要
it
充
keeps the
滿
intellect
住
pure and clean,
崇高
and
嘅念
therefore
頭，
my catching power will increase to receive Baba's help. Not only when
所
we're
以
sitting
先
in
至捕
meditation,
捉到，唔
but you may
係
be
淨
in a
係坐
bus,
喺
maybe
度
walking, maybe
行企坐
conversation,
臥，
and you
都
receive
可
a
以
touching
捕
that,
捉
okay,
到
do
爸
this
爸
or
嘅
say this or contact
俾
that
你
person.
嘅指示。
But the effort for that, there is nothing happens without effort. Keep
你努力
elevated
嘅話，
divine
就係
thoughts in the intellect.
充滿住
And for
崇
that,
高嘅念頭，
Baba has given us these three
即係
things.
Merly。
Either stay busy in remembering me,
一
or
係
stay
就
busy in
忙碌
churning the
咁
ocean of knowledge,
思念爸爸，
or stay busy
或
in
者係去諗
service,
Merly 嘅
thinking
嘢，
about service,
一
planning
係就
service,
服
organizing
務。
service, because all these three kinds of thoughts are
呢
elevated
三
thoughts.
種諗法都
And I would
係
add to that that
都係
I know
純潔
Baba has
嘅
talked
念
about the
頭，
four pilgrimage
即
places
係
in
一係
Madhura.
思念爸爸，一係
And
就諗
interestingly,
Merly，
he said
一
that
係就
if
諗
you
下
have
服務。
waste thoughts,
如
then
果
you
你
should go
有
to the
一個
history hall.
浪費嘅思
And I was
想，
thinking,
就
what's the
要
connection between
去
history hall and
his
waste
歷
thoughts?
史廳，馬都
With
班嘅
waste
歷
thoughts
史
means
廳。
at that time your intellect wants to think, it is overactive. And you can't
即係話
control it. It's
咧，
difficult to say,
你
okay,
已
stop.
經係諗多
If
咗，
you're
而
strong, you can.
控制
But if you go
控
to
制
the
唔
history
到啦，
hall,
殺唔到掣。
the meaning is that you see all these pictures of Yagya,
喺歷史
Baba,
廳，你
Mamba,
見到
all Yagya
所
pictures.
有嘅
And so your intellect starts
圖
thinking
片，
about that.
你開始諗緊
Therefore,
學院
you're still
最
thinking,
初嘅時
but the
候，
quality of the thoughts is now changing
而家你
because
就
you're
改
thinking
變
about
緊你
Baba
思
and
想
Mamba
嘅
and Yagya.
個品
So
質，
intellect from being like this, it will slow down because you're putting
然後你
different
會
material into it.
慢咗落嚟，
So
因
I
為
was
你
thinking
係
that's one of the
有咗
reasons
唔同
why
嘅
it's important to
諗
know
法，
Yagya history and about Baba and Mamba because
關
it
於
helps
爸
to
爸媽媽，
deal with an overactive intellect.
就你嘅思
And as
想
it's
就唔
Baba's
會
month,
諗多咗啦。
I would just like to share something which I found very touching. One example of Baba which helps me to just feel connected
點樣可以
to
同爸
what
爸
Baba
係
represents. So a
連
little
結
story
到
I'd
咧？
like to share here is one story actually Jagdish Bhai was sharing. His experience
Jagdish
that once
兄弟
he had lunch with Baba. It was a
佢
late
同
lunch.
爸爸一齊食
So
晏
in Panda Bhavan, then Baba said to him, okay, Chai,
喺
you should go and
Panda
rest now.
Bhavan，爸爸
And he
就話
said,
要
Baba,
去
will
休
you
息。
also rest? Baba said, yes, I will. So Jagdish Pai says he went
Jagdish
to
話
his
要
room
休
and
息，跟住話爸爸
got
你會唔
into
會休息
his
啊？佢話會，
pajamas, ready to rest.
已
he
經
looked
換
out to
咗
the
衫，
window
換咗睡衣
and he
啦。
saw Baba was still doing something on the ground.
但
He
係
thought,
爸
what is
爸
Baba
仍
doing?
然喺度做
So he
緊，
got dressed again, went outside.
跟住佢就着
He
返件
said, Baba,
衫。
you are not resting. What are you doing?
爸爸，你冇休息喎，你
Baba
喺度做
said
乜
that
嘢啊？
there are some little stones here on the ground.
佢話個
At
地有
5
啲
o'clock,
細嘅
the
石，
daughters are going to come to play badminton.
佢話一陣
So
間
these
佢哋會
stones
嚟
may hurt their feet.
打
So Baba is just
打
clearing
羽
them.
毛球，所以佢
Jagdish
驚嗰啲
wow,
小朋
he's
友
such a
爹哋
senior
嗰
person.
陣時係
So he's an
細
old
細路
man
仔，
and so
佢驚佢哋
senior
整親隻
amongst all
腳。
of us. And he's doing
佢
such a
話
thing
佢
and
話
nobody
呢
would
個
see him doing it.
冇人會睇到
I thought
一
this
個
is,
咁
so
最學
inspiring
院
that
嘅
just
創
do the
辦
right
人
thing.
會
Don't
去做
worry
呢啲
others
咁
are
嘅嘢，
noticing, not noticing.
所以
Just
即係
do
話
the
你要
right thing.
做啱嘅嘢，
So for me, when I
唔
think
好
of these
理人哋有
inspiring
冇睇
stories
到
and
你。
examples of Baba and Mama, it helps to make my intellect more clear, more subtle, more
所
divine.
以令到
Helps me
我
to
嘅心
feel
智
connected with Baba.
心
It's as though I'm
智，
saying to Baba, I'm going
然
to
後
clean my
係可
receiver,
以
Baba, keep it clean
好似
by
我
keeping
就
its
喺度
elevated
清洗
divine
緊
thoughts.
呢個接收器。
Let's do a little exercise now. In how we can maybe come a little bit closer to Baba.
點樣
So
可
I'll
以
speak
同
out
爸
a
爸越
little
嚟越
commentary.
接
And I'll
近
ask
呢？
you to think
而
about these things.
而
Then
家
maybe
我會
afterwards we can have some sharing, or you can even
我有幾
type your
樣
answer.
嘢叫你自己去
So
諗
just
下，
close your eyes for a moment.
瞌埋隻眼。
And the thought, the main thought in this exercise is just you think what you have done for me. You means Baba, of course.
爸爸，
What you have done for me.
爸爸，你
Baba is the one, of course,
俾
who
咗啲乜嘢我，
has
替我
accepted
做，
me as I am.
例如爸爸接受我，
Baba is the
無
one
論我
who
點樣都好，
knows me
佢
better
知
than
道
I know
我，
myself.
比我自己更了解我。
Baba is the one who has been watching my entire story
一直
through time.
喺度睇緊我成個故事。
Baba is the one who does not see my weakness.
爸爸係完全睇唔到我嘅弱點。
So Baba, what you have done for me
就係
in
爸
my
爸
life,
對我嘅生命
just
做咗一
reflect
啲
on
乜
that.
嘢，你自己去思考一下。
What you have personally gained
就係你個人究
since you
竟得
came to
到
Baba.
啲乜嘢？由認識到爸爸之後，你個人係得到啲乜嘢？
Reflect, remember, recollect.
你重新記返起，你識咗爸爸之後
You feel
係
ready,
得
you
到
can
啲
just
乜
open your
嘢？
eyes.
你準備好就可以打開隻眼。
Anybody like to say anything or in a few words or
如果你想
type
講，
anything?
或者你可以打字又得。
Enable me to stand on my feet.
爸爸讓
Beautiful.
令到我可以獨立。
Right thinking.
Right thinking. Yeah.
Yeah.
俾咗我一啲純嘅念頭，即係 Merly。
Yeah. It could be many things, of course. But see, this is a very beautiful place to start.
你呢一個係一個好
Each
好
one of
嘅
us has
開始。
received something from Baba. And when you start reflecting on that, naturally, your love develops more for the one who has given that to you. It's a long list to tell. Okay, somebody's
你
saying something.
你開始寫嘅時候，你就會感覺到愛。
Real life has started. Yeah, it's amazing. You know, each one of us has such beautiful things to share. Our Baba has put together all the pieces of the heart.
Om
and
Shanti. Om Shanti.
yeah,
I'm from Hong Kong. Om Shanti. So lots of love, lots of guidance, support, and the ability to do service, to be of service to everybody and bring everyone close to Baba.
有機會去
fantastic.
做服務啦，
Fantastic.
And a lot of strength to face all the challenges. Amidst
同
all
埋
the challenges,
有
lots of strength
力
and
量
stability to
同
continue
埋
on doing
穩
good
定
for everyone.
去繼續
Wonderful.
行啦。
He has given me an excellent gift of who I am and who he is.
我係邊個，同埋神係邊個。
Great. I'm sure we could go through every single one. Each one has such beautiful gifts, understanding myself, my life. Yeah, you know, it's shown us how to live a
明白
meaningful life and how
明
to
白
live a
自己
life
係
in which we
邊
can
個，
make a contribution
然係點
towards
樣可以有意
this
義咁
Zaruri hai
樣
meaningful life.
生活，
Zaruri. Yeah, I mean, how
有意義
necessary
咁樣
is a
生
meaningful
活。
life, somebody said. So, you know, when we think of the treasures we have received from Baba,
當我
then
諗到
naturally our
喺
happiness
爸爸
remains
度
high.
得到啲乜嘢，
Plus,
我
our
就
love
會
for
開
the one
心，
who has given the gift increases.
同埋會愛爸爸
And this is
多一啲。
very easy way to develop greater proximity and intimacy in
呢
the
咁
relationship
樣
with
先
Baba.
至會個關係
Keep the
越嚟
internal
越接
conversation
近，
going.
不
That helps
停
the
咁樣
connection to happen.
同爸爸
When the
傾
connection
偈，
happens, then you experience the combined form.
當你
And the
有
feeling
連
is
結嘅
that
時
no
候，
matter what obstacles come, Baba is there. You know, I'm
所
not
以
alone. Baba is there
無
with me.
論有乜嘢障
I remember
礙嚟
when
到，
Dadi Gulzar came
我都
to
知道爸爸同我
Istanbul,
喺一齊，
one
我
of the
唔
things
係
she
孤
said
身一人。
is, she asked everyone, do you have any problems? And
दादी ने एक
有
people,
बार
一
सबको पूछा
個
कि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम्स हैं?
有一
yeah,
個
so that's the
sister
Hindi there. And, you know, people gave different answers. And she said, Arey Baba hai na saath mein.
有
Baba
冇
hamare
問
saath hai.
題呢？
I think she did like this. It's like, oh, Baba is with us, isn't he? So
但
what is there
但
for
係
us to
爸
worry
爸
about?
係同
And
我
I
一
thought for
齊，
her it's so
咁
natural.
點解
So
仲要擔
natural to
心
be in
呢？
that state of being
因
with
為
Baba all the time.
因為
And
爹哋佢哋
therefore
係
she experiences that comfort,
成
stability,
日都係同爸爸一
protection,
齊，
companionship.
所以佢
And
感
the
覺
same is
到好
possible
舒
for
適。
you know, every single one of us.
所以呢一個我哋
Okay,
每
come
一
to
個
the next little
都
exercise and then
可以
we'll
嘅。
stop to see if there are questions. So
仲
two
有
more
多一個
questions,
體
and
驗，
they're
兩個體驗。
part of one unit. So again, you may close your eyes.
而家瞌埋隻眼，
Just think of question one. What do you like most about Baba?
你最鍾意爸爸
Repeat that.
乜嘢
What do
嘢
you
啊？
like most about Baba? Question two. What does Baba like about you?
爸爸鍾意我啲咩啊？
What does Baba like about you? Why did Baba's vision fall on you?
點解爸爸眼光裏邊會有我呢？
Just reflect on these two questions. Okay, just open your eyes if you're ready. Yes, anybody want to share verbally or by text?
有人想分享嗎？
Baba's ocean of all virtues and humility, loving and detached.
你最鍾意爸
Okay.
爸嘅
Baba is
乜
always
嘢？
with us, and we, out of so many souls, we have touched. Baba have touched us, so that is a speciality.
爸爸揀咗我哋，
Love of Baba solves all my problems. Yeah, that's
另
why
外一
Baba's
個
busy
話
solving your
爸
problems.
爸
That's
已
why
經
he doesn't have
已
time for
經
us.
解決晒所有
No,
我
no,
嘅
not
問
problems.
題。
Out of so
Yeah.
many souls, we are the souls who have got the gyan of Baba. That is the speciality that Baba
Yes.
likes in us, that we could touch him. Yeah.
Right. Right. Beautiful. Thank you. Yes. Anybody else like to say anything?
Yes, being unlimited.
我鍾意爸爸嘅就係無限啊！
Baba's unconditional love. Yeah, beautiful answers coming. Baba
係
saw
啊，
our
無條
divinity
件
and
嘅
touched
愛。
us. Yeah.
Baba found me and made me belong to him. And he made it so simple that I could remember him very easily. He made the whole thing very easy, that my journey of life has become beautiful.
Yeah. Wonderful.
佢話
Beautifully
爸
said.
爸揾
I'm
到
sure
我，
upstairs
而
Baba is
我
doing
屬
this
於
to our children.
跟
Wow.
住
Enjoying so
佢
much.
令一切都變
Baba
得
likes your
簡單，
effort, not your
所以
outcome.
我哋嘅生活
Yeah,
係
each
變得
one
好
of us
輕
is such a
鬆。
special soul. And
我哋
so
每
it's our
每一
great
個
fortune, of course, to come
都
to
係
Baba.
好特
But
別，
it's also
呢
our
一個係
greatness.
我嘅幸運
We
福氣。
sometimes think that, if you think of the number of souls who have come to a program,
你
And
諗
then the
下，
number of souls who have
每一
actually done the
次
course and
每
completed
一
the
次
course. The
嚟
number of souls who keep coming to the center for
有幾
talks,
多個
workshops, etc.
係
And
上
the
7
number of
天嘅
souls
課
actually
程，
become Brahmins,
有幾多
Brahma's
個係
children,
變成 BK，
claim their inheritance.
然後
How
有佢哋嘅
rare they are,
佢
how
哋嘅
special
繼
they
承
are.
權，
So
你
how
話
much
幾
value we
難
should
得
have
啊？
for us, ourselves, and also for each other.
我哋應該
And so just
係
remaining busy
互
in
相咁
these
樣
kinds of thoughts and
欣
feelings,
賞，
I think keeps our receiver clean and available for for Baba to send his transmissions, to touch
所
us and to
以
guide
先至
us,
可以令到我
and to
哋
give
嘅
us that feeling
心
that I
智
am here with you. We
心
have
智係
been
乾
wandering
淨，
for half the cycle.
係可以隨時
Confluence
接
says
收到爸爸
enjoy
嘅信息，
companionship, their personality, the support, the protection of both Bab and
所
Dada.
以有爸爸嘅支持，
So I
接
think I
收
should
到
stop there.
爸爸
Perhaps there
嘅
may be
支持。
some comments or questions.
而家可以有問答。
Well, that was, as usual, we don't feel like stopping, but
我哋係唔想
the
停嘅，
clock, one quality of the clock is it's always moving.
有
So
個
yeah,
時
we have
間
to
係
put
不
a
停
comma
咁
here
樣。
because we'll continue at some other instance again because such wonderful experience that you have taken us through, Brother Yogesh. So
你
really
係分
heartfelt
享咗，
gratitude to you for this from all of us.
多謝你
And
同
there are a
我哋
couple
嘅
of
分
questions I
享，
think which
即係話
we
點
have.
樣可以同爸
One
爸
of them is
越
it's
嚟
about
越接
yourself,
近，
about
就係
Brother
令到
Yogesh,
我
right?
哋嘅
So
心
the
智
question
乾
says,
淨，去容易
Brother
接
Yogesh,
受
you spoke
接
about
收
Bab-
爸爸嘅
Baba's
信
or
息
God's
知識，
personality.
同埋佢想俾我
So
哋嘅
as a
嘢。
young, as a child Yogesh, or as a young Yogesh, what is that one aspect of God's personality that really touched you deeply
你
and
細個嘅時
subsequently
候
made you surrender into the yajna?
係爸爸嘅乜嘢嘢令到
Yeah,
你會
it's difficult to
投入
highlight just
全
one,
身
but for me, I think in my early years,
奉獻自己嘅
early
生命？
teens, when I really began to attend the class, morning class regularly,
係
I think
開
the
始
stories about
early
Brahma Baba's humility. So Shiv
係
Baba
Brahma
manifesting
爸爸
through Brahma Baba,
嘅謙
but
虛，
the experiences and examples of humility,
係 Brahma
I
爸
think
爸
that was really
係一
touching.
個
That he
模
was someone
範，
who was exemplifying what divinity means.
乜
To
嘢
be
叫做神
humble,
聖？
to put others first, to not be interested in personal
點
glory.
唔會
So
話
that
想
I
自己
felt
得
was
到
like
任
a
何嘅
real
嘢，
symbol of
而將
spirituality.
第二啲人擺
And you
喺
can't
前
fake it.
邊，
Like if someone genuinely is humble,
你唔
it
可
feels like
以假
there's
㗎。
a sacredness and divinity there.
佢
And I
就
would
感
like to
覺
be
到
part
咧，
of that.
佢有一個神
So I would say
聖
this was the
靈性喺
one of the
裏
big
邊。
experiences in my
我
early
想
years, which
係
made me
喺呢一
feel,
個家庭裏
yeah, I
邊，
can get behind this and I want to be part of this.
我想係其中
Okay,
嘅一份子，
wonderful. Okay, so it was that deep, deep humility
就係
and
謙虛，
wanting to serve, the quality of wanting
而
to serve
而
everyone.
想去
Wonderful. Okay,
服
that's
務。
good. I think there is time for just one more question, and I think this is valid for everybody in the yajna. And it says, the question says, okay, how do I make sure that when I'm faced with a challenge, it is Baba that I think of first and call Baba first rather than any Lokik or bodily being? How can I make sure of that
我
and how
我
do I
點
practice
可
that?
以練
Yeah.
習？就係
Yeah,
話
I
無
would
論
say
發
it's an
生咩
ongoing
嘢，
relationship.
我首
Just
先
like,
係爸爸先，
for a Lokik child,
係
if he
關
or she
係。
falls over or has some problem, immediately would think of the mother or the father
你一
because
諗
that
起個
relationship
細
is the closest
細
for
路
the
仔
child.
如果受傷
I
跌
think for us
親，
also, we have
佢
to
會第
bring
一個
Baba.
去父母
Actually,
度。
have to is not the right word, but the thing to do is to bring Baba into the very center of our lives rather than just on the peripheries.
爸爸係我
And
嘅
it's a
中
matter of
心，
building up a relationship
就唔
rather
係
than
好
artificially
邊，
doing it. And as I say, how we
唔
build and
係
deepen that relationship is keep the conversation with Baba going through the day.
我就係話
Remember what you
不
received
停
from
咁樣
Baba.
樣同爸爸
Study
傾
his glorious
偈。
more deeply. Make sure you have
Merely
your
係比較
meditations
有
on
深
time.
度，
And so there
同埋
you're
靜
coming
坐
closer and closer in
都
relationship.
係準時。
And then when something happens where you need some help,
當
the
你
mind
你
will
嘅
go
關
to the
係已
one
經
with whom the relationship is closest.
你越親
It's an
近，
ongoing
發
process
生任何
of
嘢，
going deeper into
你會
relationship
第一時
and
間
making
就
that
會諗
relationship
到
more
呢一個
real,
關係，
experiential, and more
所以呢
mature.
種關係就比較真
Okay,
實同埋
wonderful.
成熟。
So that means it's an ongoing exercise of building that relationship
呢
and
一個係
becoming closer to
不
Baba so that he
不
is the one that
斷嘅。
automatically we remember during a challenge or a problem. Okay, great. Thank you so much, Brother Yogesh, for this. And first, I would like to call upon Sister Bindu to please express gratitude for Brother Yogesh's experience today.
而家邊度係替我哋多謝 Yogesh。
Om Shanti. There were wonderful vibrations and divine vibrations when you share your experience.
當你分享經歷嘅時
I
候，
would like to
嗰
thank
種
your
震波係非常之
Angel Yogesh Bhai
輕
and all
好嘅震波。
Asian family and Indian family also. So thank you very
我
much.
哋
And
係有印度，
also
亦都係有
Praveen
第啲
Bhai,
東南
Deepa
亞
Ben
嘅
and
嘅 BK
Sevadari
一
team.
齊，多
Thank you,
謝
thank you.
所有服務
And see
嘅，
you soon, Yogesh Bhai.
希
Madhuban.
望早啲見你。
Sure, sure.
Hmm.
Thanks to each and every
好
one
啊，
of you. Such sparkling, lovely faces. I was
你
with
哋
you
係
just
非
recently and
常之 面
enjoying
容，
seeing your smiling faces. And
好高興見
yes,
到你
golden
哋嘅
girls are
微
there
笑。
too. But I
Yeah,
think we should.
Golden Girls have Prabha Ben, Raju Ben, Asha
仲
Ben,
有我
Neeru
哋
Ben,
嘅
all.
金
Again, I think we should change
金
the name now. I
嘅
think they deserve an upgrade. I think from Golden Girls, let's call them Diamond Divas. Diamond Divas.
由
Diamond
而
Diva.
家係叫
Diamond
做
Divas and
鑽
Divas.
石
Maybe
嘅
English
神
or
形，
Hindi.
I think all of them are nodding. They like this name. Yeah.
佢哋中意呢個名喎。
But Brother Yogesh, your sparkling
年
face
長
is
嘅
very, very contagious.
Yes.
姊妹，由金
It is,
黃
it
金
is,
嘅
it is. I
Wonderful.
女
agree.
變成
I
鑽
agree.
石嘅神人。
Great. Wonderful. And this is really a
And
wonderful
sister,
all family.
sister Minu Ben, Minu Melwani, Prabha Ben. Prabha Ben, video on karo. योगेश भाई सब गोल्डन गर्ल को देख के खुश होते हैं।
Om Shanti.
Yogesh
Thank you, Yogesh
係
Bhai.
記得
Yogesh
佢
Bhai has
哋。
given us the name Diamond Divas.
I
Ah,
heard,
देखो,
I
哦，
heard.
而家係叫做
Wonderful.
鑽
Thank
石
you.
嘅
We have to live up to it now.
Yes, of course.
鑽石嘅神
Great.
人
Wonderful. So
女
thank
神。
thank you, everybody. It's like a beautiful family gathering, you know. So really thank you to, first of all, thank you to everybody who has joined this session and contributed to the energy level here. It's really wonderful.
多謝大
And
家嘅參與，
mention
令
of a
到
few
個震
who
波
have
非常
really
之
helped
好。
in the background. The interpreters that we had a Hindi interpreter,
我哋嘅翻譯員啦，
Sister Anchal, who interpreted in Hindi. We had a Cantonese interpreter, Sister Bianca. If you could please turn on your camera so that we will recognize you, you know. And of course, the ones that whose name cannot be mentioned, but we had the Mandarin interpreters, the Japanese interpreters, and the Korean interpreters. who joined this and took the message to far and wide again. So that's really wonderful. Yeah. And so people from various, I mean, BK members, family members from various countries joined, which included Hong Kong, mainland China, Korea, Philippines, India, Japan.
菲律賓都有
Really,
參
everybody,
加今
all
日
of them benefited from Angel Yogesh's experience. So really, thank you. And
Philippines
Philippines,
also.
Philippines as well joined in. That's really wonderful. So yeah, so everybody benefited from Angel Yogesh's experience sharing. Also, I think 2 more names, if I could mention, which is the ones that have recorded this session different languages, which is Brother Gary recorded it in Cantonese, in Hindi, and Brother Kavin recorded it
仲有
in
佢哋
Cantonese.
係
So
有
thank you also for
錄
your
音
effort
嘅。
on that, Seva, for that. So, okay, thank you so much, everybody. And also, Brother Yogesh, now we hand over to you for taking us to the meditation. I think I forgot one thing that I must say, which is Sister Mizue from Japan. Om Shanti, and she really did the Japanese interpretation for all the members there. That's really wonderful effort. Thank you.
Brother,
So-
can I say something? Please do organize such programs again and again. They were really great experience for
希
all
望
of
佢
us.
哋繼續去
Yeah, definitely. I
有
think
呢啲咁嘅活
programs
動，
like this
線
will be
上嘅
organized
活動，
further in the future as well. Yeah,
多
thank you
謝
for the
非
suggestion.
常之有用。
So over to Brother Yogesh then to take us through to meditation, and we would love to receive the drishti from you, brother. And once you're done, if you feel that you're done, then you can just wave at us, and then we will understand. Thank you so much.
Just, you mean silence or commentary?
Commentary will be good. If you can give us a
Okay.
commentary, it'll be good. Yeah.
Okay.
Would you like some soft music, or would just commentary be okay?
I think just commentary. Just commentary.
Sure.
So, as always, first, I come to my eternal throne
首
of
先，
self-respect,
我返返去我
the
永
center
恆
of the
嘅
forehead,
寶座喺兩眉中央，
become aware
呢一
of
個
my
係
true
我
self.
自尊嘅寶座。
Then I turn my
我
thoughts
係
towards the one, the whole world
然後
has been
我嘅
looking
念頭就去咗自尊
the one
靈魂
who is called the ocean of peace,
係平靜嘅海洋，愛嘅海
the
洋
ocean of mercy,
係慈悲，係全世界都喺度揾緊，希望同佢連結嘅。
this one is Baba,
呢一個就係爸爸，
this one is the true friend
就
of the
係
soul.
我靈魂真正嘅朋友。
Baba, the one who accepts me
係接
as
受
I am.
我，無論我係點樣，佢都會無條件接受
Baba,
我。
the comforter of hearts.
佢係心靈嘅撫慰者，
Baba, the one who has been watching, observing,
一直
and
喺度
understanding
觀察
my entire story
同埋明白我
through
成
time.
個故事同時間，生生世世嘅
Baba
故
is
事。
the one who knows me even better than I know myself.
佢認識我，比我自己更清楚。
Baba, the one who does not see my weakness,
佢唔會睇我嘅缺點，爸爸。
the benefactor,
佢係
guide.
造福者，
the uplifter.
佢係提升。
I come closer to Baba.
我越嚟越接近爸爸。
I allow Baba's pure waves of love
我
to
允
wash over
許
me,
由爸爸純潔
filling
嘅
the heart,
震波喺我嘅心裏邊，
giving me back to myself.
然後交返呢一個純化嘅心畀我。
Baba invites me to be with him,
爸爸邀請我同佢一齊，
gently guiding me
慢慢
to my completeness,
去指引
my
我
self-sovereignty.
去返我嘅自我主權圓滿嘅狀態。
Om Shanti, Nivesa arigato.